What's up, everybody? Hey, it's hot up here. Today, this is Bo. This is Bo today. Well, this is Bo. Bo is here. What's up, everybody? Bo is here. Today, I am working on installing solar panels and security lights on top of this 144 wheelbase Sprinter. This is a 2023. This is 2023 model. So it has the I think this is the what kind of rack is it? I did not install this one, but I believe this is the white top mountain, white top something. I'm sorry. It's something like that. They already have these crossbars here, so I'm going to install 2 of the 200 watt solar panels, so it's gonna be 400 watts total. This one, and I did work on the power system on this one. It has the 3 of the battle bonds 100 amp battery, lithium batteries, and a 2000 watt Victron Energy Victron Motor Plus, and the 30 amp chargers, both for AC, DC to DC, and the solar charge control, all the Bluetooth Victron Energies. I did also install the valid 12 volt AC unit on here as well. So yeah, right now I'm installing I'm running the wire for, this is the marine wire for the light. So it's gonna be 2 lights on this side, 7-inch spotlight, flood flash slash spotlights on this side, and 2 on the back. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. Today's panel, we are using a 200 watt black frame eco-worthy solar panel. This is rated at it's a IP68 rated. It's supposed to be 25% efficiency, higher efficiency without metal line. And check this out too. It's, see, nowadays they're coming out with this kind of panels material. It's very durable. I don't think this is glass, because it's not easy to break. Okay, it's very durable, very tough with the elements, rains, hail, snow. It will not break this. It's a 20 years or something warranty. So looking good.
What is that? Do you have an email? I don't know. Wire. Yeah, my paper.
Okay, you guys, it's day 2 today. Yesterday I just ran the wire, and then I ran out of time. I had to run somewhere, run a chore somewhere. So back today, and now I already installed one right here. Just need to tighten these screws. Look at this, flash mounted, okay, on the a 1x3 crossbar here, super strong. Okay, and the other one's gonna share this middle part right here. So that's what I'm doing. 2 panels are all in. Little bit struggle because these panels are huge. The 200 watts, and they fit nicely on top of the Sprinter roof. the width wise like this, you have about 1.5 inches to play with. But you know, to trying to fit it and align with the factory holes of the roof rack and the crossbar here. You have to play around a little bit. So I was like crawling back and forth because there's no room on the side to step on. So breaking sweat a little bit, but all done. Now let's run those wires to the back. So I ordered these solar panel cables. These are 10 gauge and it's it's pre-insulated, so it's easier. Okay, these are ready to go. Guess what, you guys? It's 9-something o'clock and I'm not done the top. Man, I'm running late here, behind schedule. So I gotta finish it up. I have to run the wires through here and then glue it and leave it overnight. So I don't want to just rush it because this van is due to pick up tomorrow. So I gotta get it done. Let's go glue this. I just finished the top here. Let's go take a look. Okay, so we got 2 panels here. You can see tight fit. So low profile there. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, and then I run my wires through here. Okay, all tied up. And there we have one the light over there and another one on this side. Then we have 2 in the back right there facing back. Okay. My wires run through there inside, and then here's my waterproof Glen, my waterproof box. You can see behind that crossbar there. Okay, all tight, and the 4 lights. Okay, 2 on the sides and 2 on the back. Now let's do run the wire inside. Tired, man. That's what happened when you're old. Okay, so the positive and negative cable of the solar, okay, the negative will go into here, the charger on the PV negative. Okay, and then the positive from the solar will go into the fuse, and then from the fuse it will go into the positive PV, and then the positive and negative will come out and go to the negative, goes onto the negative terminal, and the positive goes in here, which has another fuse protected here. Each terminal, each connection here has a 60 amp fuse protected. Okay, this small project is done, you guys. 2 panels on the top, 400 watts total. Okay, two of these lights and 2 on the other side, and then the wires run through here and then all the way in, connected to the charger inside, and then I install this switch right here for these lights. Okay, take a look. Okay, you can see our solar is charging. Alrighty, and switch right here. Okay, got another DC fuse box right there too. Everything is connected into that main distributor right there. So if you want to turn on the back light, switch this one on. There, the lights are working. Okay, and then switch it off. This one on now, and on the sides there we go. Both sides working. Okay, it's a small project, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it, and hey, this is good, what you know, security light when you have a picnic out here at the campground and stuff, you know, or just to scare the bears away. So okay, thank you so much. See you next time. This is Bo. Don't forget, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Bye.